All right, we're almost done. Lesson 23, we're going over how to copy and paste effects to other clips in your timeline. This can be really helpful if you've created a color for one camera angle and you're like, this is perfect. I don't want to have to do this again. I just want to take this color and put it on all the other clips that I've created. If you have effects, like you've put a position on a clip, you're like, this is the perfect position. I don't want to have to change the position of any of the other clips. Is there a magic button that just lets me paste this position on all of the clips? This is what that lesson's about. You're going to learn how to copy and paste, effects or color onto all the clips in your timeline. All right, next step is color. So we have created subtitles, we've sized everything, we've edited all of our clips. If you remember, we jump over to this other sequence here. We actually went through how to color your video, right? So what we want to do is we want to, locate our first layer. Since we're not using the wide layer with everybody, what we want to do is select any clip here of our host, come to the effects control panel, and I'm going to grab the Lumetri color for that specific clip, which is the same for all these clips that we're using of this guest, and that's going to be layer number 1. So I'm going to go ahead and highlight all of those clips and go ahead and paste that color over the clip, right? So that's before, right? And then after, okay? Very subtle. Let's go to the next one. We're going to grab her color. All right, so I'm going to click on, she doesn't have, we didn't change her specific color on the clip. Hers is what we matched to or ended up matching to. I went back and redid the color specifically for this export to make it look a little more organic after showing you all a sample of how to do it for yourself. We did change his, however, so I'm going to select a clip, come to color, press Control C, come back over to my sequence, find his content. It's on the very top layer, and I'm going to paste that color change over all of his clips. And then what I want to do is grab this adjustment layer. I can go ahead and copy the color from the adjustment layer, and I can simply paste it on all of the clips in this timeline, right? And that is going to match the color profiles the same as our podcast episode, all right? So that's how you're going to add color to all of your clips. And now, before we export, what I want you guys to do is go ahead and copy all of these clips, Control copy, with the subtitles, and we can replace, all of the previous clips that we had in these different folders, okay? So we're going to delete all of the clips that we selected for the Instagram, the vertical Instagram, and we're going to just replace them with the new kind of clips that we have created. All right. Now, later we can go in and resize them and things like that, but I want to show you guys one trick before we export these videos, and we're going to get into that next.